Good morning, students. We are solving exercises of chapter number 14 from our workbook. Now we are going to solve exercise based on synthesis. Students, we studied synthesis. Synthesis means combining two or more sentences into one. If you remember, we studied combining two or more sentences without using conjunction, combining two or more sentences to make it compound, and combining two or more sentences into one to make them complex. Three types of synthesis we studied. Now here we are given the question: combine each set of sentences into one simple sentence. We are asked to combine set of sentences into one simple sentence. We also studied simple, compound and complex sentence. Simple sentence, it has only one finite verb or it has only one clause. Students, here we have to use those 5 methods to combine each set of sentences. Those 5 methods, that is using participles, using infinitive, using adverb or adverbial phrases, using noun or noun phrase apposition, and by using preposition plus gerund or noun. As per the sentence, we have to use this method to combine the sentences to make them simple sentences. We are given 6 sentences, and here for examples I would like to solve first and second sentence. Next 4 sentences that we will discuss during live class. Even you can try to solve them your own. First sentence: Dux has failed many times. He still hopes to succeed. Here we are given 2 sentences. First, Dux has failed many times, and second, he still hopes to succeed. Students, we have to combine these 2 sentences into one simple sentence. Now when we read the sentence, we can come to know that there is a relation of contrast or concession. And for that, here we can use preposition plus gerund method to combine this set of sentences. And when we use this method, the sentence would be a simple sentence. When we use this method, preposition plus gerund, we combine this set of sentences into one simple sentence. Now see, Dux has failed many times, he still hopes to succeed. It shows contrast, or we can say concession. So we use in spite of. In spite of failing many times, see. In spite of failing many times, comma, Dux still hopes to succeed. Dux still hopes to succeed. Even students, instead of in spite of, we can use despite also. Despite failing many times. Sorry, here many I missed out. Despite failing many times, Dux still hopes to succeed. See, in this sentence only one finite verb, that is hopes. This is only a phrase. We have used preposition plus gerund method to combine this set of sentences. Next, the dress was expensive, Kelly could not buy it. The dress was expensive, Kelly could not buy it. Here we have to use infinitive method to combine these two sentences. Infinitive method, the dress was too expensive for Kelly to buy. The dress was too expensive for Kelly to buy. Here only one finite verb was. And see, we have used infinitive, to buy. Even students, in the first sentence, we can use perfect participle method also. Because one action completed and second action started. So having failed many times, the hopes to succeed. So read the sentence and think of those 5 methods to combine the sentences. We are given 6 sentences in our exercise. Here I have solved 2 sentences. Other 4 sentences you can try of your own. If you have doubt, if you face any difficulty, we will solve during live class.